Good morning, everyone. Tony Mello Properties team. Hope you're doing well. Let's see if I can make this a little bit better. Yeah. All right. So, next flyer with the next thing that I am looking at. I've been doing lately a few videos based on some flyers that a lender had sent me or handed off to me when we had a meeting the other day. I read through this and tried to figure it out. It's basically like a GoFundMe as far as I can figure it out. I did register for the webinar, so I'm going to go through that today. And that will expand on what this is, how to use it, on where to use it. So, yeah, I mean, as far as I can tell, it basically Homefundit is a way to do like a GoFundMe, and I guess it's up to 3,500 extra towards purchase. I'm not gonna talk a lot about it because there's not a whole lot to talk about on this particular thing until at least I know a little bit more of it. So I'll go through the webinar. Once I go through the webinar, once I learn more about it, how it works, how to use it, where to use it, I will double back, do another video, and explain that a little further. So this is kind of just a little preview to that video once we get to that point. Hope you're having a great morning, and I will be back. Take care.